Looking for the best smart water bottle but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best smart water bottle based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Hans Bottle Sports Water Bottle. This insulated water bottle is a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable, long-lasting companion for their daily hydration needs. It's perfect for both kids and adults who need a spill-proof and leak-proof water bottle that keeps drinks hot for up to 12 hours or cold for up to 24 hours, thanks to its double-wall insulation. The secure lock and sealing ring design, along with a dishwasher-safe construction, make it incredibly easy to use and maintain. Number 4. SANKESU SKG001 Smart Water Bottle. This smart water bottle is perfect for families with young children or roommates who want to keep their drinks secure. Its advanced fingerprint lock system allows up to 10 unique fingerprints, ensuring only authorized users can access the bottle. The leak-proof design makes it ideal for busy professionals and outdoor enthusiasts who need to carry it in backpacks or gym bags without fear of spills. With 24-hour temperature control, you can enjoy hot coffee for up to 12 hours or cold drinks for 24 hours. The premium stainless steel construction is durable, resistant to corrosion, and won't leave a metallic taste in your drinks. Overall, it's a practical and stylish choice for anyone who values security and convenience. Number 3. Water Boost Kids Smart Water Bottle. Are you tired of the constant battle over getting your kids to drink enough water? This interactive smart water bottle is a game-changer, turning hydration into a fun experience with an LED water buddy that reacts to their progress. It's perfect for busy parents who want to encourage healthy drinking habits without constant supervision. With customizable reminders and smart tracking, kids stay motivated to hit their daily goals independently. Built to survive the playground, it's crafted from BPA-free stainless steel and keeps drinks ice-cold for up to 24 hours. Plus, it's school and travel ready, featuring a one-touch flip lid and secure safety lock. Every bottle comes with a set of DIY refrigerator magnets for kids to personalize their space and celebrate their hydration milestones. Number 2. Water Boost Smart Water Bottle Tracker. We've all been there, struggling to stay hydrated, especially during busy festival seasons. That's why this smart water bottle is a total game-changer. It's not just a practical tool, but also a thoughtful gift for anyone prioritizing health and wellness. With its built-in hydration reminders and tracking, it helps you reach your goals and stay healthy. The leak-proof stainless steel design is easy to clean and carry, and the wide mouth makes it easy to add ice and fruit. Plus, it's got a stylish design that's perfect for on-the-go hydration. It even tracks your water intake with an advanced AI algorithm, so you can stay on top of your hydration habits. With its worry-free service and durable design, this is a must-have for anyone looking to stay healthy and happy. Number 1. Water Boost Smart Water Bottle Tracker. Compared to your average water bottle, this one stands out for its smart features, excellent insulation, and stylish design, making it a great choice for anyone prioritizing health and wellness. It's ideal for the fitness enthusiast or health-conscious individual who wants to track their hydration and earn rewards for reaching their goals. The built-in hydration reminders and tracking system, combined with the LED display and phone or smartwatch notifications, helps prevent dehydration and supports overall health. It's also leak-proof, easy to clean, and has a secure grip. With its advanced AI algorithm and SGS inspection, you can trust the accuracy of your hydration tracking. Overall, this product is a solid choice for those looking for a practical and effective way to stay hydrated. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.